As we have already prepared our namprik for our namprik ong, now we have to go to the stir fry. But before that, let's look at the ingredients of our stir fry. Our first ingredient is some ground pork. It's about half a kilo, and you have to make sure to use fatty bits of the pork, otherwise it won't be as yummy and it will be too salty. The next ingredient are some cherry tomatoes, about 20 pieces, and make sure to cut them into small pieces like this, but not too small. Next is our oil. You can use any kind of oil, but usually in Northern cuisine, we will use oil from pork or lard. But this is a healthy dish, so we have changed it from using lard to using normal oil. Next, we have some garlic, which we have already pre-grinded, which will make our namprik even more aromatic. Usually, Northern Thai dishes don't really use some sugar, but in Thai namprik ong, using a little bit of sugar kind of enhances the rest of the ingredients. Then we have our namprik, which we will start to stir fry.
ค่ะเราจะมาเริ่มผัดกันเลยนะคะ
Use medium-high flame, not too hot. First, we will put down our oil and use as much as you want, but today we're going to use less for our health. As soon as the oil is hot, put a little bit of garlic and start to fry it a little. As soon as the garlic starts to turn yellow, we have to put in our namprik until it's aromatic. Make sure to put in all the namprik. Next, we'll put in our ground pork. Make sure to coat it with the namprik evenly. Then we will put in our cherry tomatoes. And since we don't know if the cherry tomatoes are too sour, don't put in all of it yet. We will stir fry it a little bit. You have to have even portions of all of our ingredients. And at this point, we'll add in a little bit of water. Our namprik ong is now ready. It is now delicious and smells amazing. And it can be served in either plates or bowls. And don't forget, in any kind of Northern Thai food or just Thai food in general, you need to have our most important toppings, such as parsley and spring onions. Make sure to mince them as fine as possible and put them on top of the namprik ong in order to get the full flavor.
นะคะผักชีอีกนิดนึง
You can also use any kind of raw vegetables available near you to complement the namprik ong. These kind of vegetables could be anything, ranging from cucumbers, pumpkins, cauliflowers, broccoli, carrots, and long beans. depending on what you like and whatever is available near you.
อันนี้เป็นฟักทองนึ่งนะคะอันนี้ก็เป็น
You can also steam or cook any of your veggies beforehand, such as some that we have here, like our steamed pumpkin, blanched broccoli, steamed cauliflower, some pickled cucumber, and lastly and not the least, some Thai eggplant to complement our nam prik ong, which is now complete and ready to be enjoyed.